Hello folks, in the middle of Dartmoor, the old powder mill. This whole place, they used to make explosives in here. It's huge. They used to make explosives for the quarries and the military. Wow, look at this, look folks. Collapsed tunnel. Oh, look at this tunnel, look. It goes back quite a way. That goes back about 15 foot. It's dead end. Look at this chimney, look. There's only a couple of these on Dartmoor. Wow, look at this, look. This is where all those horrible, nasty, toxic fumes were carried away from the tunnel. Right up through there. That's amazing. Look at this here, folks, look, an old clapper bridge. This is ancient. I've got a feeling this is Roman, you know. This place is absolutely huge. There must be about 18 buildings scattered around the moors, around this area for the making the explosives. This could have been a cottage. That's where the floor joist would have gone across there. As you can see, it would have been a very low ceiling that they were. That would have been bedrooms upstairs. You've got one window up there, one window up there. There's a wooden lintel there, look. Old English oak. Solid. You can see where they made the Old English warships out of oak. This place ran from about the 1850s for 50 years. Look at this, look folks, toadstools. There's loads of them here. They're all round. Amazing. Oh, this is one of the old mills. There's several of those around here. Yeah, the blokes that worked in here would have had to have rope on the bottom of their boots so that it didn't create a spark which would have set the explosives off. Could this have been a water wheel housing? I know they had a couple here. The roofs on these old mills, they would have been very flimsy, folks, so that if there was an accidental explosion, the blast would just go upwards. This place is absolutely huge, folks. It must have been very busy in its time. And then dynamite come along and made it all obsolete. Down this way, folks, it's definitely worth a visit. Take care, folks. Bye.